Come on, Dad, jump, you're being recorded. A bit more enthusiastic than that. And Dad's on the floor. Better go quick, Dad. You happy?
Oh God. I'll get it out.
See you, Dad. Got to see you get out now, Dad. Got to watch you get out.
Oh. I don't know if I can get out of here.
Dad's attempt to get out the trampoline. And he made it. Zip it back in, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
At the top. See ya.
Okay.
Dad did not like that. You can put a camera back for me, Dad.